For many people in India, the first online payment app they used will be Paytm. Paytm was founded just 10 years ago by Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Sharma completed his bachelor's degree in electronics and communication from Delhi College of Engineering. His college days were so hard. He came from a middle class family and he only studied in Hindi until he entered college. So reading and writing English became really hard for him. He tried reading books and dedicated a lot of his time to learn English, but it was really hard for him. So he decided to dedicate his time on his long-term dream to become an entrepreneur. He wanted to join Stanford as his dream company Yahoo was built there, but due to his financial status and lack of English communication, he decided to focus on his entrepreneurial work. He read books about great people and entrepreneurship. He learned how to code all by himself. He started building his own content management system with some of his friends, which later used by some of the biggest news publications. He completed his education and joined an MNC company, but he only stayed there for 6 months and quit his job to start his own venture. He started his own company along with a few partners and dreamt about reaching the Silicon Valley. He also raised his first round of funding, but all his dreams were shattered when he was left bankrupt by his partners. Later in 2005, he managed to raise 8 lakhs through his company. He was facing really hard times, but he's not a person who would give up so easily, isn't it? He stayed at a hostel, skipped meals, and walked long distances. He worked really hard to make ends meet. Then, slowly, things took a turn when he got the idea about building an online payment application. He told this to the board members, but they were not convinced. But Sharma believed strongly in his idea and convinced the board members. With so much hardships behind, he started building Paytm and released it, which became one of the big things among all the other startups. Since then, Vijay Sharma started getting so much recognition and Paytm made huge profits. Vijay said that after building a $1 billion worth company, maintaining the success is the most difficult journey and it cannot be done without good teamwork. Vijay Shekhar Sharma was ranked as India's youngest billionaire in 2017 by Forbes. He was in the list of Time magazine's 100 most influential people in 2017. Paytm is valued more than $10 billion today. Without English communication and prior business knowledge, Vijay became a self-taught pioneer. He believes man makes his own destiny with hard work and dedication. Let's not forget that.